the world is changing faster than ever. Every day, we generate more data, more connections, more possibilities. But in the race for progress, one question stands out. How do we ensure that intelligence serves humanity, not replaces it? Welcome to the ZenthicAI initiative, a global movement to build responsible, inclusive, and human-centered artificial intelligence.
ZenthicAI. I was born from a simple yet profound vision to unite the brightest minds and the most ethical technologies to empower people, protect the planet, and drive purposeful progress. We believe that AI should not be confined to laboratories or code. It should live where humanity thrives, in classrooms, hospitals, cities, and communities. Our purpose extends beyond innovation. It's about impact, building tools that save time, save lives, and save our environment. From AI-driven diagnostics to sustainable agriculture and energy optimization, ZenthicAI works where technology meets empathy. AI should be a force for inclusion. That's why ZenthicAI builds systems that empower every learner, every worker, every dreamer. We develop adaptive learning models that understand individual needs, enabling personalized education for all. Because true intelligence doesn't just learn, it helps others learn too. With great power comes great responsibility. Every model we design, every dataset we use, follows the highest ethical standards. Bias detection, transparency, explainability. These aren't add-ons, they're our foundation. At ZenthicAI, responsibility is not a checkbox. It's a culture. Our solutions touch every sector. Predictive analytics for smarter business decisions. Recommendation systems that personalize experiences. Forecasting engines that help businesses plan better. Each innovation is guided by a single principle: create value that benefits everyone. ZenthicAI thrives on collaboration. We partner with universities, startups, and enterprises to co-create the future. Our ecosystem brings researchers, data scientists, policymakers, and creators under one shared goal: shaping a responsible AI-powered world. What starts as an idea in a lab transforms into real-world change. Our research fuels innovations in healthcare, climate modeling, education, and human-computer interaction, bridging the gap between possibility and practice. Behind every breakthrough lies a framework of trust and technology. Our AI stack integrates data science, natural language processing, computer vision, and machine learning pipelines. But technology alone isn't the answer. The intent behind it is. The future we envision isn't driven by machines. It's powered by humanity. ZenthicAI stands for intelligence that heals, learns, and uplifts. A future where technology listens before it acts, and where every innovation echoes responsibility. Together, we can shape a smarter, fairer, and more compassionate world. Join the movement. Be part of the change. Be part of ZenthicAI.